Hi friends, welcome to Korshika. Now I am starting a new series of Django Oscar tutorials for version 2.1, but I have already created a series of the Django Oscar tutorials for version 1.6. If you want, you can watch those tutorials from my playlist. Now in this tutorial, I will teach you how to install and set up Django Oscar 2.1 in our project. So friends, if you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to the channel Korshika to get the new video updates first to you. Now let's start the tutorial. First let's search Django Oscar in browser. I will type here Django Oscar, enter. Here I am going to refer the read the docs link of Django Oscar. I will open this link. So this is we are looking here the documentation for Django Oscar 2.1 version, and from this link we can find different versions of Django Oscar, and also from this link I will open the documentation for 2.1 version. Okay, next I will open building your own shop link. So here they have given all the steps for installing and setting up the environment for Django Oscar in our project. Now I am going to follow this documentation. First we need to create virtual environment for installing Oscar using this mk virtual env command. If you don't have mk virtual env, then we can use virtual env. So let's open command prompt to create virtual env. Here first I will go to desktop, cd desktop, then I will create here virtual environment. As I have multiple versions of Python installed on my system, I will first check different versions and its paths using the command py-0p. Okay, so this is showing versions and its paths. So I'm going to use Python version 3.7 to create virtual environment. So I will type here virtual env dash dash python, and the path of the python, that is I will copy this, I will paste here, and after that I will give the name of the virtual environment, that Oscar 21 env. Okay, then I will type enter. If you don't have multiple versions of Python installed on your system, then you can run this command without dash dash python and the python path argument. You can see here the virtual environment is created using Python 3.7. Okay, now let's activate this virtual environment. For that we need to type the path of activate file of virtual environment. So I will type here the name of the virtual environment, that is Oscar 21 env slash scripts slash activate. So you can see here the virtual environment is activated and now it is set to this path. Now let's install Django Oscar using command pip install Django dash Oscar. This will take some time to install Django Oscar packages. And this will install Django by default because of its dependency, so we don't need to install Django separately. Okay, you can see here it successfully installed Django Oscar 2.1 version 2.1, and because of its dependency it installed Django 3.0.10. Now let's create a Oscar project using command Django dash admin start project Oscar 21 shop. and Oscar 21 shop is the name of the project. Now I will type enter. So this has created Oscar 21 shop Oscar project on our desktop. Now I will open that. So this is the Oscar project I have opened. Now let's open terminal. You can see here we haven't set the created virtual environment to these projects, so let's close this. So we are going to set the virtual environment from file, settings, select project, and from project select Python interpreter. From Python interpreter select this icon here, select add, and select here virtual env environment, and select existing environment. Here we are going to set the created virtual environment for this project. So select this three dots, and we have already created the virtual environment on desktop. So I will open desktop first, and the created virtual environment is Oscar 21 env. From scripts, open Python interpreter. This is python.exe. Open this, click OK, then click OK. So next click apply, then click OK. Next open terminal. You can see here we have successfully set a virtual environment to our Oscar project. Now I am going to close this. Now let's follow our Django Oscar documentation. Here they have given that first we need to edit our settings file to import all of Oscar's default settings. So copy this, and after import OS paste here. Next we need to add Oscar's context processors to the template settings. So copy this, and in our settings file see the template settings. After this Django's default context processors, I will paste Oscar context processors. I will write here Oscar context processors. So next we need to modify install apps to be a list, and we need to add django.contrib.sites and Django flat pages, and Oscar's core apps and third party apps that Oscar depends on. And also we need to set site ID. So let's copy Django sites and Django flat pages. See here install app section. You can see here we don't have Django sites and Django flat pages here, so I will paste here. Next we need to copy Oscar's core apps, so I will copy this until shipping dashboard config, and after this Django sites, Django flat pages, paste here. And next we need to copy Django Oscar third party apps, so I will copy this and I will add here. So next we need to set site ID equals to 1. Copy this. Here I will paste that. So next we need to add Oscar basket middleware and Django flat page fallback middleware to our middleware setting. So I will copy this, and let's find here middleware setting. Now I will paste here Oscar middlewares. and this is the Oscar basket middleware. Next, we need to set authentication backends to use Oscar email backend and Django's model backend. So copy this. After middleware, I will add the authentication backends. So here we need to add the Oscar email backend to allow customers to sign in using email rather than username. So next, we need to add media and static files settings to our settings.py file. At least we need to add media URL and static URL. If we are serving files locally, then we need to set again media root and static root. So let's add that. I will go to the end of this file. So I will specify here static files directories setting equals to we need to specify here list of directories. So it is a list. Then I will type here os.path.join in bracket base directory comma static. We are specifying here the static directory inside our root project because this directory will hold all our static files for our project. Next, we need to specify static root. Static root equals to os.path.join base directory comma static files. Here we are specifying the directory with the name static files under our root project, and this is the directory where all static files will be collected when we run the collect static command. Next, we need to specify media URL equals to /media. Next, we need to specify media root equals to os.path.join base directory comma media. Here we are specifying /media as the media URL and media directory under our root project where all user uploaded files will be stored. Next, we need to add settings for search backend. If we are happy with basic search for now, then we can just add hashtag simple backend to hashtag connections option in our Django settings. So copy this hashtag connection setting. Then I will paste here. Next, we need to check our databases settings. So we need to add atomic request equal to true to try tie transactions to request. So I will copy this, and here I will search databases setting. Then I will paste the atomic request equal to true here. Next, we need to add Oscar URLs to our project URLs. So I will open here urls.py file. So first I will copy from here from django.apps import apps, and I will paste here. Next, I will copy this i18n path. I will add here. So we need to import include. After path, I will import include. Next, I will copy this path for Oscar URLs and I will paste here. I will type here Oscar URLs. So in our install app section, here we have one package, that is source.thumbnail. So we haven't installed that package yet, so let's install it. Open terminal. I will type here pip install source dash thumbnail. Next, Oscar ships with migrations, and Django's migration framework will detect them automatically and will do the right thing. So we need to create the database tables for Oscar and for Django, and then we can run the shop, which should be browsable by the run server command. So let's do that. Now let's type here py manage.py migrate. So this will take some time for creating Django database tables and Oscar database tables. So it created the database table successfully. Now let's run the server to see the shop. Py manage.py run server. Now I will open this link. So this is the Oscar default shop running successfully. If you want, you can explore the functionalities of this shop by visiting each link. So friends, in this tutorial I have teach you how to install and set up the environment for Django Oscar in our project. In the next tutorials we will see the functionalities of Oscar's default apps and how to customize those functionalities. So friends, if you like this tutorial, please like this video and subscribe to this channel Kodeshikha to get the new video updates first to you. Because your likes and subscribes motivates me to do more videos. So friends, please like this video and subscribe to this channel. Now we will meet in the next tutorial with a new topic. Bye bye.